Hello Facebook. Hi everybody, Jamie here, and it is cocktail time with Jamie. Welcome to the Aroma Time Bar, and we are open this evening. It is Monday night, so I'll give everybody a minute here to join in and join me live. So hopefully that will happen here in a moment. But in the meantime, I will go through our $9.99 special this week, or our takeout special. I keep saying $9.99, but we are not doing a $9.99. We're doing a buy one get one free burger this week, which ultimately is $9.99. But you buy one burger, get one free. You can pick as many as you'd like off of the menu, and that is to go. So that is our buy one get one free burgers. That ends tonight, so tonight is our last night for that. And we'll start our new $9.99 or takeout special on Thursday evening. Thursday to Monday runs our specials here at Aroma Time. Of course, our regular menu is available as well. We are open this evening. We do have a wine dinner. So if you are interested in coming to our wine dinner tonight, it is $29 for 4 wines and a dish. It is a steal. Tonight's dish is portobello and cremini mushroom risotto, and 4 awesome wines. I believe we have 2 whites and 2 reds. And it is equivalent to about 2 glasses of wine. So 2 glasses of wine and a dish, portobello mushroom risotto this evening. It is a great deal. Give us a call, 647-3000. Make your reservation. It starts at 6:30 tonight, so you still have a little bit of time to join us. Let's see, our next wine dinner will be the 28th of February. We are also taking reservations for Valentine's Day. So if you want to make reservations, we do definitely recommend calling. Valentine's Day is next Monday, so a week from today. We do have some reservations still available. Of course, you can come in all weekend and celebrate your Valentine, and we will have specials going as well. For Valentine's Day, we do have our Valentine's Day box, so if you want to stay home, you can do a takeout box, or you can just do regular takeout from us, which is also available for Valentine's Day. So hello everybody, thank you for joining me. Hello Jim, hello Cheryl and Ralph, Ellen, Janet. Thank you everybody, I appreciate it. Some of you I haven't seen in a while, so we miss you. Please come in and join us. If you don't know about our awesome birthday deal, if it is your birthday coming up, we are giving you a free steak dinner. If you don't eat steak, you can have a vegetarian dish or a salmon dish. And that is available for your birthday. It is free. The only thing you have to do is come in on your birthday, show us your ID, and you will get a free steak dinner. That is on your birthday. And if it is not your birthday, we will give you 50% off of the steak dinner. But we ask that you come in on your birthday, show us your ID, and you will get a free steak dinner. What an awesome deal that is. So super excited about that. We had lots and lots of people take advantage of that deal this weekend. So when it is your birthday, come on in, get your free steak dinner. It is for dine-in only, but we'd love to celebrate your birthday with us. So darn missed that, Janet said. Sorry, Janet. Anyway, so come on in for your birthday. Let's see. Hi, Mom. Hello, everybody. I appreciate you watching. Today, I'm going to be making a St. Elder warmer. So I'm going to be using St. Elder flower liqueur. I'm going to be using Rough Rider bourbon, lemon juice, and cranberry juice. I've actually already warmed it all up because I don't have a warmer right here. You can boil this on the stove. So I'm going to add about 1.5 ounces of Elder flower liqueur, about 1.5 ounces of bourbon, and I am going to top it off with cranberry juice. Cinnamon stick to it. Come on, cinnamon stick. Cinnamon stick. So if you boil this on the stove, it will bring out the flavors. I'm going to put a lime in there. I'm going to put a blood orange in there. I should have put a lemon in there, but a blood orange. You can use fresh fruit. You can put rosemary in there and boil it on up, and you have yourself a nice warm drink. Just going to go ahead and mix that on. Woo, mix that up.
Yeah, both of them are
have a little spill. Sorry. Thank you. Hello, Joel. Hello, Christina. Hi, Susan. Thank you, everybody. That is a nice warm drink on a nice cold day. You can mix what you have at home. Bourbon is awesome. This elderflower just brings out, makes it a little bit sweeter. The lemon juice makes it a little tart. And I would let it sit for a while with the cinnamon stick, and you'll get some nice flavors in there, some rosemary, put a sprig of rosemary in there. But this is a really nice punch for a party or just to enjoy on a nice cold day in front of a fire. It's nice and warm. And I appreciate everybody watching. Again, we are open tonight. We do have a wine dinner this evening, so if you'd like to join us, we still have some seats available. Just give a call quickly. Our buy one, get one free burger ends tonight, and we'll do a new takeout special on Thursday. The restaurant is open. You can take out off of our regular menu, and we'd love to see you. It's Valentine's Day weekend coming up. We'd love to see you. Please call up ahead and make reservations. Hope everybody has an amazingly awesome night. Cheers, and I will catch you all soon.